guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have something just really chill and relaxed for you guys. I feel like it's been way too long since I've just sat down and talked with you guys, let you know about what's going on in my life, what's going on with the channel, what you can look forward to in the future as far as my content. So if you'd just like to chill with me for a little bit today and listen to me ramble on about some random stuff, just keep watching the video. And if you do like this video while you're watching, please feel free to give it a thumbs up below. And if you'd like to stick around for more Lolita and kawaii-centric content, I post for you guys every Thursday, so feel free to hit that subscribe button down below as well. But today I was feeling a little artsy, a little inspired to do something colorful and fun, and I actually just recently stumbled upon something very interesting from Angelic Pretty that goes perfectly with that. And the thing that I stumbled upon was an official Angelic Pretty coloring book. So here is the page in question. I thought it was so cute, so very sweet, Lolita, and I'm excited to throw some color on here and just chat about what's been going on in my life and the channel. Alright, so I think the first thing I need to tackle is the Angelic Pretty here, and if that's not pink, I think the whole world will just come to an end, so let's start there. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about the channel. I feel like most of you will have noticed by now that I am now only uploading once a week. I was unemployed during COVID when I actually started the channel, so I obviously had all the time in the world, but now I do not because I actually finally got a big girl job in old corporate America. Now, building the channel here and making it into something really cool someday is still my main priority. It's the main thing that I want to do as like a career for the rest of the foreseeable future. But something that does excite me about this new job is having money. While I really do enjoy making content that's just kind of me sitting in front of the camera like this, talking to you guys about something that I'm passionate about or something that I'm learning about and I want to share with you guys, I love having some higher produced content where I have to spend some money to make it work, and being unemployed means no money. So I'm really excited to be able to have some disposable income to really make some high quality videos for you guys. And I think I've talked about this a little bit before, but one of my main goals for this channel is to be able to network with other Lolita communities in the United States and also abroad. If everything goes well, I would love to start actually traveling around the United States and meeting up with Lolita communities and just making some really cute, fun content with them. I would also love to do like a Lolita review on high teas around the United States. Oh, something else, oh my gosh, that I would love to start doing next year for the channel, but also just for fun, is I really want to go to some Lolita specific conventions. And when I think of going to these Lolita conventions, I just think about, my dreams for what this channel could be in the future, and someday I would love to have a booth at these conventions and have really cute merchandise that you guys really like and be able to meet you guys in person and just chat like this face to face instead of, through the camera. Oh, and just as an update, my tattoo is now super fully healed and it's still super bright in case you missed my tattoo video. And then I'm trying to show you Usakumya. This one is healed as well. I got this really cute BFF tattoo with May. And now that I will be making money, I have so many more ideas for super cute Lolita and kawaii tattoos. So I'll definitely bring you guys along for those. And I'm also excited to start making some more Ita enamel pin bags. I would love to do a Lolita-centric Ita bag and a cat-themed one. So those videos are still somehow quite popular on my channel. So if you liked those kinds of videos, I will definitely be making more of those in the future. And as far as content that you guys have been enjoying on my channel, my Lolita Behind the Brand series, which only has 2 videos out right now, but you guys have been loving those videos. I am so grateful that you guys are interested in learning a little bit of Lolita history with me. I have the most fun just sitting down and doing a bunch of research on where these brands came from, who the people are behind them, where the company is now. I didn't know any information about like who was really behind these brands and these dresses that are so important to me, and so I'm just so thankful that you guys seem to love them as much as I love making them. I know in the comments I always see you guys asking that I continue the series, and I am definitely going to continue with the series. I've got some research planned for the next one coming this week, so don't worry. I hate to say that I don't know many indie brands, but I feel like it's just the truth. So if there are any indie brands that you guys would especially love me to cover on the Behind the Brand series, please let me know down below in the comments. And speaking of suggestions in the comments, are there any dresses that you guys are excited about coming out in the future? I did do a dream dress video a bit ago, and I do believe I've actually been able to get some of my dream dresses off of that list, so maybe I need to revisit the list and add some new dresses to it. I feel like I recently saw a dress coming out from, it's another design with Kira Imai. She does a lot of really cute stuff with Angelic Pretty, and I love her designs so much. That's like really the only thing that I'm aware of right now. I don't know if it's just me because I feel so out of the loop, but I've just been really uninspired by what I guess I'll specifically say Angelic Pretty has been putting out recently. And I know I've talked quite a bit about like the quality issues that I've had with Angelic Pretty, but as far as their designs go, I just have not been impressed recently. Again, I don't know if that's just me. I would love to hear your opinions down in the comments. Maybe I'm just like missing all the really good releases because I'm not paying enough attention, but yeah, that's just like the feeling I've been getting recently about AP. Oh, you guys, you're not gonna believe this. I might actually be going to Japan soon, finally. Out of all the things I talk about most on my channel, I genuinely do believe the thing I talk about the most is the fact that the trip I've had planned to go to Japan since 2019 keeps getting canceled and postponed because of COVID. That's really what this channel is about. Me not getting to go on that trip. But as an update to that, I think it's actually going to be happening soon. Of course, I have been following all of Japan's COVID restrictions and rules like a crazy person for the last, God, how long will it have been? Almost I don't even know how long it's been, but I've been keeping up with all of their COVID stuff so I could try to figure out when I might be able to go, because when I travel to Japan, I go through a travel agency and it just makes it a lot easier. And so I've paid for the trip like completely, so they have all my money, but I don't have a trip to Japan. But because they've been lifting their restrictions, I think they're aiming to start letting tourists back in as early as March of next year, which I originally had planned to go in April as like a celebration of my wedding anniversary. And you guys, the content that I have planned, I am dying to make, okay? I'm talking going shopping in person at Closet Child in Harajuku and all of their other locations. There's so many locations of Closet Child in just Tokyo. I'm talking about going to Disney Sea and wearing cute matching Lolita outfits with May. I'm talking about going to the Swallowtail Butler Cafe wearing Lolita, doing everything in Lolita, but just bringing you guys some really fun cultural content right from the source. It's going to be so much fun, and honestly, I think it's going to be a great test run for a lot of the future content I want to make here on the channel, and I can't wait. I hope you guys can't wait either, and hopefully I will be bringing that to you guys very soon. Alright guys, well here is my little masterpiece. I tried to use as many kawaii pastel colors as I could find in my pencil boxes, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Maybe I'll even stick it on the fridge downstairs. But yeah, I will include a link to the forum where I found these originally down below in the description box. This was a lot of fun to color and I hope you give it a try. And actually, if you do give it a try and you want to post it on social media, tag me. I'm over on Instagram as Sweetie Sprout. I would love to see what cute designs you come up with. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little updates about the channel today, things I'm looking forward to doing, and just how I'm doing in my everyday life. I really like doing videos like these. Maybe next time I'll do like a little Q&A. Maybe I'll post up the opportunity to ask some questions over on my Instagram, which is always linked down below, by the way, so if you want to catch up with what I'm doing on my social media, it's a great time over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. I actually have a super fun birthday dinner to go to this evening, so I'm gonna go enjoy that. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!